Today I share with you how to make samosa in professional way, especially if you want to use this to start your business in the next season. Everything you need to know to get this done, I'm going to be sharing with you on this video. To begin, I'm going to be needing cup. The same time, I'm going to be needing flour. I make use of 5 cups of all-purpose flour. In case you are going to use this for business, always remember to mention your flour so you can know the exact and accurate flour you are going to use for your recipe. Next, you need the just salt, then mix that together. After adding the salt and mix that, all you need is oil. That is oil and water. So this is just what you need to get this your batter done. So be adding the water little by little and keep on mixing until you have a strong dough. It don't have to be wet, just a strong dough as I proceed like this to mix. So this is me mixing that. All I do is to transfer that back to the wall surface, then use my hand to massage the floor very well. After massaging that, you are going to be having something like this. You can see how nice that look. At this point, I'm done mixing the flour and it's okay to use. All I do now is to cover that to rest for just 30 minutes. Next process, you are going to prepare the samosa filling. First, you are going to be needing beef. The same time, adding green beans, onions, then adding hot pepper. So after adding that, add the Maggi seasoning, that is curry and salt to taste. The same time, not cube. I add that and stir together. If you notice the pan, I did not add oil before I add in the beef. You don't need oil, you don't need water. All you have to do is just to stir the meat to cook on its own with its own juice until the water will get dry. So you don't need to add in anything. What you need is just carrot, then stir together. I will just stir that for just 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will add in the last ingredient, that is cabbage. So this is me adding cabbage, then stir everything together. At this point, you don't need to add in any other ingredients. All you have to do is just to stir fry this until it's dry and ready to use like this. Just take a good look at that. So guys, at this point, it's cooked and it's set time the water has dried. So you have to transfer that back inside a white bowl. See how yummy that look at that. It looks so scanty and delicious. I just love how this filling get cooked. Just imagine that. Wow. So you have to keep that aside. So next is to bring back the batter. So all I do is to divide the batter into bite size like this. Just scatter all of it like this. After cutting it, all I do is to take one of it, just tight it this little ball sign. I'm just going to tight all of it like this. So guys, have you shared this video yet? So now I'm going to take one of it, use my roller to roll it until it's white like this. So this is just the size I'm going to work on. I'm going to transfer that back inside this pan. So just wrap that inside the pan. All you have to do is just to be turning other side to get fried. You are going to be doing this with low heat. You don't need to add oil, you don't need to add anything. Just put it in a pan like that and be turning the other and they turn the other with low heat. Just like this is ready. Just see how that looks. So this is how I'm going to do the rest of it. It looks so nice and simple. Cover that with kitchen towel. Now I'm done with all of it. I'm just going to cut it like this. So this is how I get that cut. So this is just the tortilla wrap I'm using. Look at that. It was so nice. So what you do next, on this bowl I have in flour. I'm going to mix that with water. So mix until you have something like this. So what you do next is to use that to rub the side of this tortilla. So after adding the flour, so what you do next is just to use your hand to cover the tortilla wrap like this. Just imagine, so simple guys, just so simple. So what I do next is to take 1 spoon of the filling, then add it inside the tortilla. All you have to do is just to cover. So simple guys, just so simple. So now I'm just going to cover that with the same flour I mix. Just use it to rub all over. The same time, use your hand to seal it like this. So simple. I'm still going to take you to the process once more. This is all I do the rest. You can see at this point I've already covered everything. So this is the last one I decided to share with you again. The same way, just use your hand to seal it very well. All you have to do is to open it here, add in 1 spoon of the filling. All you have to do is to take in the flour, use it to rub the mat like this, then cover. It's simple as this. All you have to do is to share this video and follow this process to make your samosa. Look at that. You keep it. At this point I've already have oil in the fire, so that is hot already. I'm going to transfer that back inside the oil like this. So guys, look at that. So I have to add that I'm going to fry about twice. So this is me frying the first batch. So all I have to do is to be stirring that little by little like this until the thing is going to fry and come out nice like this. So at this point it have fried so nice, so you don't have to over fry this. So this color is just so amazing. It was so crunchy. The center is everything you need to enjoy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So after frying the first batch, I bring everything out from the oil like this. Just imagine this samosa, guys. Like, just imagine. So this is me frying the last batch. Just the same process. After adding all of it, use small spoon to be turning like that. So you have to be stirring until everything fry and come out so nice and crunchy. So this is me after frying this last batch. At this point, everything is fried and it's ready to enjoy. So guys, have you shared this video? Look at your samosa. This is the right time you have to share this video and try this for yourself. If you are going to use this for business, it's going to be amazing. See me breaking this samosa. It was so crunchy. Like, the feeling, the dryness, the color, everything about this samosa is mind-blowing. That is why you have to share this video. You don't need to stress yourself to go to shop or go and look where they learn before you can use this as your business. You can easily learn from here, and everything you need to know is what I show you. All you have to do is to share. Follow this process to make your samosa. If you're a snack seller, this is going to be one of your favorite snacks you have to add in your snacks business, and it's going to help you a lot. See me testing it. I eat more than 5 at this point because it's too sweet. I love you guys. All you have to do is to share. Bye.